Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everybody that is new, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a ColourPop and SAILORMOON collaboration review. I just received my package, so I'm going to unpack with you guys and share what came in the box. Okay, so with this packaging, I was literally excited. Like, it was kind of like a countdown type of thing, because who didn't have SAILORMOON as their childhood? I'm gonna go ahead and share. The first thing I'm gonna start off with is the palette, and it's called the Pretty Warning SAILORMOON palette. Isn't the packaging the cutest? Has the cutest little neutrals, but yet some colors in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of these. So the first one right here is a Shining Moon. I'm gonna go ahead and take it and swatch it. Arm. To do this a little further out. I'll show my whole arm afterwards, that way we can get a better view. So the second one is Twilight Flash. It's like another nude, but more like a peachy, no shimmer. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a silver crystal right here. We're gonna be a little upfront and personal with this one since I'm swatching. Then Moon Castle. And after that, I'm gonna take Full Moon right here. And then I'll go ahead and take Silver Millennium right there. Goodness gracious. These are like the perfect shimmers and nudes, man. Don't mind these two first. It looks like I literally got in a fight with them. Then Mare Serenitatis, bro. Serenitatis? Serenitatis. These are like completely pigmented. Like, they did not mess around. Okay, and then Luna. Go ahead and take Luna right here. Okay, so it's these right here. Let me clean these off. It's gonna get messy. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the last four, which is just this shimmery yellow right here. This is like the perfect mustard yellow. Do y'all see this? Okay, and then after that I'm gonna take the Tuxedo Rose right here, and this one's kind of like a coral with shimmer. Do I need to say anything about these pigments? The one after is a Love, and this is actually a pink with shimmer. Now the last one's gonna be Miracle Romance, which is this darker flat purple right here. It's like a purple, but like kind of like a fuchsia-y. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But you guys see, right? Like, The pigments, the shimmers, like it's true to color. It's like the pigments are there. There's nothing like flat, transparent, or washed off about this palette. I'm not even freaking lying. So let's see, I'm gonna put this one right here last. Yeah, so these are the last 4 on the palette since I didn't have space with these other 8. But literally these, I'm obsessed. Other than the packaging, cutest thing ever. But this is the palette itself. Super adorbs. Like, literally mood. So the whole packaging comes with the palette, the Sailor Moon palette. The Pretty Guardian palette, it comes with 2 blushes. One is called the From the Moon and the other one is Cat's Eye. And then you have the 2 glitterly obsessed body glitters. One of them is Moonlight Legend and the other one is called Moonlight Prism Power. And the packaging adorbs. Like everything about the packaging, I don't even want to get rid of this packaging, y'all. And then it comes with 2 sets of lipsticks, well, glosses. So one is the Moonlight and it's called, the first one is Bunhead. It's an ultra blotted lip, and then the second one that comes with it is called Sailor Moon and it's an ultra glossy lip as well. Then on the second one, it's called Daylight, which Daylight's kind of lighter version than the Moonlight. Moonlight's maybe like a little deeper than the Daylight. So the first one is called Usagi and it's the ultra blotted lip, and then the second one is the Moon Tiara and it's the ultra glossy lip. So, and then that's the whole packaging. Let's start off with Daylight. I'm gonna start off with Daylight, the lip bundle, first one. And it comes with these. One is a Moon Tiara and it's the ultra glossy lip. It's like a nude, like a peachy neutral. And then the second one is Usagi, and this one is the ultra blotted lip. It's kind of like a flat pink-ish. So those 2 are the ones from the Daylight lip bundle, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the Moonlight lip bundle and I will show you guys literally next to each other after the swatches, but literally same, just a little bit darker, deeper. So I'm gonna do the ultra glossy lip, which that one is called Sailor Moon. And this one kind of has more of a pinky undertone compared to the other one. It's more of a peachy, orangey look. This is more of a pink nude gloss. And then the ultra blotted lip is called Bunhead. I'll go ahead and swatch it. I think it's gonna be a little more deeper too. It's the same thing. It's a pink. So one is like a gloss, the other's more, I think it's drying a little on the velvety matte. We'll see. Let it air dry. So that's the second lip bundle. Those are the 2 lip bundles, Moonlight and Daylight. And the only difference I would say is Daylight's more of a lighter, you know, neutral, softer. Compared to the Moonlight, it's a deeper, little slightly darker, but same versions. So if you guys see right here, Daylight, Moonlight. Has the shimmers, same, you know. Sorry about the bracelets, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the two blushes. So one of the blushes is called From the Moon. The packaging on these are super adorbs. It also comes with a little compact mirror on the inside, so it's super cute if you're on the go and have it on your purse. So here's the packaging. This is what I was referring to. Look at this. It has the little mirror, and then it has the cute little. This blush is the From the Moon. I'll go ahead and take it. That's for sure pink. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the second one. The second one is called Cat's Eye. This one's more of a softer pink. With some shimmer, super cute. The other one's a matte. Okay, now I have both of these body shimmers. The first one is the Moon Prism Power. Yeah, it's kind of like a lavender undertone to it. They literally come with little stars and moons. The second one is called Moonlight Legend. Take it out the packaging and swatch it. Here goes the second body glitter. This one is the Moon Prism Power. And then the second one is the Moonlight Legend. Okay guys, that was it for the whole packaging on the ColourPop and Sailor Moon collaboration. Also on the packaging, I would say with the pigments and everything that they put thought into this collaboration, I would rate it a 10. I would highly recommend it to anybody. It's an amazing collaboration that they came up with, and I love it for sure. Everything that was in the packaging, it blew me away, as far as the shimmers, the pigments, the mattes, the lipsticks, the gloss, the body glitter shit. Ooh. Even the body glitters, like, I'm not even into body glitter, and those are like the cutest thing ever. So for sure, if they ever do come back and release any, I would say and highly recommend that you get your hands on any of these items. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other questions that I can answer, go ahead and ask away. And if you guys haven't already joined the family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click the bell, and I will see you guys next video. Love y'all.